Hi friends, welcome back to my channel for another Graceful Muse Paperie mystery subscription reveal. We are a little bit behind. I know if you've watched my other videos, I don't know which one's going up first, but I am catching up on all of my mystery subscriptions and all of my happy mail. So just be prepared for an influx of videos here on YouTube. I've been MIA for a little bit. We bought a house, moved, life got crazy, and I just was on break. So here we are, we're jumping back in. I know it's summer stuff, and it is November 3rd when I'm filming this, but it's okay. It's gorgeous, and it deserves a spot on my YouTube. So we're going to talk through it anyway. If you don't want to see all of this because it's out of date a little bit, that's totally fine. I will have more relevant content coming soon. But if you've missed me, like I've missed you, hang out, and we'll chat through all this pretty happy mail, okay? So let's jump on in. This is the August subscription from Graceful Muse. I am obsessed with everything she does. I have loved every single mystery. They're always so good. So this you get in every month. It says hello and whatever the month is, so you can tip it into your planner or cut it if you need to cut it down to the right size. And then it always has some little like definition of a word down here. This one says summer, let us live like flowers, wild, beautiful, and drenched in the sun. So pretty. And this is in like her pretty light gold foil. And then you also get this gorgeous paper. Haven't figured out what to do with them yet because I haven't done a lot of like paper scrapping type of stuff in like a long time. But I love that they're foiled and they're always so pretty and just like a little subtle hint of what's to come in the collection. It's like a road trip looking kind of kit here. This little VW bus. So pretty. And then the other side, oh, look at that. You guys, I haven't seen this in a while, so everything feels new. Look how pretty that is. It's like the open road and it's so like ethereal and all of this layering here. Oh, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. You've got one side that's foiled, one side that's not. We'll just leave it in the background. How about this side? We'll just leave that in the background. So there's your help. See, you could like totally cut this paper and put that right underneath it. That would actually be like perfect like that. Isn't that so pretty? Or you could take, you know, one of these parts and put that in there and have that underneath it. So lots of different options that you could pair this together. And then this is our actual kit, collection, whatever you want to call it. I think we should call it a kit. I guess we'll call it a collection. So let's get this guy out of here. If I can get my fingers to work. Okay, so you always get a little postcard, and let me show you what I do with mine. I still have the July one in here, so don't judge me. I need to do these filming all these so I can get a fall one in here. But I always put them in this little gold frame on my desk. I just think it's so pretty, and I change them out every month. And I love that. So just an idea if you're not sure what to do with this. Obviously, you could like tip it into your journal or whatever as well. Put holes in it, and if you have a ring planner. But so pretty. It's always foiled. And then on the back just has all of her shop information. And then you guys, we get into all the goodies. Let me grab, I need a sticker sheet here or something to put behind all of this because it is on washi paper. So I think I'll have to double check. I'm pretty sure you can still get this in different papers. Maybe it's only available in washi. I'm not 100% sure. I will have to go check for you. But I get mine in washi because that's my fave. So you always get a little calendar. It's a little foil calendar with like the florals or something from that collection. So this is our August. And then this is our foiled sheet, you guys. Look how pretty this is. Oh, I love that. Look at that. This is different. This isn't normally like how the foiled sheet is. Do we also have the foiled month? We do. So this is new. Okay, well, maybe it's not new anymore, but it was new in August. This wasn't in there before. So we've got a bunch of foiled deco. Oh, that's so good. And like some little washi type of strips here. Those are so pretty. Okay, obsessed. Obsessed. Not sure how I like, well, I probably didn't miss it. It's just been a while since I've seen it. So I didn't miss it. I've been gone, you guys. I've been gone. Okay, so this collection is called Chasing Sunsets. So this is a page with a bunch of different layered elements. I love how she layered the flowers with this girl. Got some tickets and a little book. She's writing, like journaling about all her adventures, I'm sure. And then you've got like the back of the VW bus, and you can see all the little like gold splattering of foil. So good. Oh, these colors are so like dainty too. So pretty. Okay. Next one. Oops. Knocking everything over here. Next one is our journaling kit B. You've got the washi, the floral washi strips. This is cut in half. So you've got two of these. I don't feel like my light is picking that up, but there is like a little splatter of foil on there. The light gold foil. And then down here, okay, it's really hard to see, but there are a bunch of different like little elements in here. So like little rectangles, circles, all kinds of different things. So layering pieces. this, I feel like this is new in this collection. Maybe it's not, but where there's like foil around it, you can take the middle out too. So if you wanted, if I can do it, if you wanted to like build your own picture or whatever, your own scene, you can take the middle out. I just love these sunflowers. I love that they're like not bright in your face sunflowers. They're like a very subtle yellow. Oh, look at that old school radio. And she put the little, oh my gosh, do you see that? Come on, focus. The little like music thing. That's so cool. And then look at this girl. She's just chilling in the back of there, like the baddie that she is. Look at her. She's so cute. Okay, love that. Love. All right, then we have our washi strips. So we've got more of the floral, this really cool sun pattern that goes with like that kind of like Western vibe type of thing. You've got some torn paper ones with some lettering and some florals. And then you've got all of these different edges. I love that they're like all different florals. They're not all the same. So good. And then we have illustrations number 1. Oh, guys, I always love the illustrations. Look at the van. Like, stop it. Look at that foiling. Just perfection in there with the curtains. And then this girl with her camera, the florals, like the ocean. It looks like the ocean in the background. Can't tell if it's the ocean because I feel like she's in the mountains. Maybe it's just the lake. I don't know, but it's pretty. And then we've got this with the little birds in the sky. That's gorgeous. That's sunflower. Look at the little camp scene with the VW bus. And there's tiny little birds. Can you all see that? Come on. There you go. Tiny, tiny little birds. And then there's that radio scene again, but a little bit larger. And then illustrations 2. This is like that scene that's on here. And you could totally layer something on there if you wanted to have something else over here. You've got that journaly scene. This with her little like coffee cup in front of the fire. Oh, this is fun. Look at the little speedometer in the steering wheel. I love that. And more of the foiled birds. And then her with her keys. Back in the day when you had keys, right? We all just have like fobs now. And then there's this gorgeous girl sitting on the edge with her little foil necklace. I love when she does the little foil necklace. I think that's so cool. So very pretty. And then this is actually our washi strips. I call the other page washi strips, but this is really the washi strips. You got this gorgeous, like, it just reminds me of like the sunset kind of like light purpley, you know, like when you look at the sunset, it's like that same, you know, and the sky is just turning and it's like golden hour, getting a little past golden hour. They're really pretty purpley, the florals. And then you've got 2, kind of looks like the clouds, more of the sun, and then these ones. This is, I think, more, yeah, this has more, so these aren't washi. These have more, like, different shapes. I don't know if I'm even able to, like, pull one up to show you. Here we go. There's, like, torn edges and stuff like that in here. So you can kind of see little torn edge paper. So all of this whole section is a bunch of, you can't really see the cut lines, can you? Not really. Okay. Just trust me. It's there, okay? Just trust me. There's a ton of little goodies hiding in there. It's like a little surprise. And then these are our large illustrations. These are gorgeous. Look at her little filled rearview mirror and her curtains. Looks like she's even got like a sunroof and she's looking out at the sky and the clouds. That's so pretty. Oh, and then this is Adventure Ahead. Just stunning. And you get some more of these larger edges. And then here is our floral deco. So we've got some, let me turn it this way. You got 4 corners, you've got more edges. You got actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 edges, which is really nice. And then a bunch of individual pieces throughout. And it's got that gold splatter foil. And then lastly is our like functional page where you've got your month, your dates, your days of the week, and then a bunch of scripts down here in the this month. And I always love these chapter 8. These are available in the shop too, by the way, guys. Like you can get the Hello Months in the chapter 8. Even if you're not subscribed and you just really like those, you can get those in the shop. I do have a code with her shop. It's Cassie15. So, oops, sorry, don't need that. If you are looking to pick anything up, she does also put extras up in the shop. I don't know off the top of my head if there are extras for this collection. I will do my best to remember to check before I post this. They may not be. I feel like her extras usually sell out pretty quickly. But if you're somebody who's not subscribed and you're like, darn it, I missed out on that, or shoot, I had a trip out west and I would have loved to have a collection like this, you can always check and see if it's on there. And then if not, I don't know, post on your Instagram and ask people if they're going to destash, because otherwise you're SOL. But gorgeous collection. If you are looking to pick up this, for any extras for this or anything else in the shop, you can use Cassie15. I do have a freebie with her shop. Let me pull it out and show you. I don't know when we're updating them. I think this is my current freebie. So I will have to check and see. Again, I've been so out of it lately, but my code is still active and you can use that. So there's my freebie for her shop, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned. There's going to be a lot of them. I have 4 mysteries to catch up from Graceful Muse and a couple other shops. So there will be lots of content coming. So yay for that. And then eventually we'll be caught up. So thank you guys for hanging with me. I hope you all enjoyed this. Let me know what your thoughts are on this. I just think it's such a gorgeous collection. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and if you're subscribed, and if what you're using it for. Are you using it for a trip or just because you like the clip art? So let me know. Just chat it up with me in the comments. I miss you all, and I thank you for hanging out and waiting for more content and taking time to listen. So I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Bye.